How to turn off messaging notification on Xbox Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off messaging notification on Xbox Mobile. First you go to Xbox and then click this one on your profile, click on it and then click here and now click this one, notifications. And now all you need to do is just find this one here and click on it, and as you see messaging has been turned off, and if you want you can turn it on again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.